for drivers and technologists intrigued by new developments in the field of electric vehicles. The last few years have had plenty of reasons for excitement. Numerous startups have, started up with the intention of delivering various styles and classes of electric vehicles. That's the good news. The less than good news, a few years later, is that not all of these companies have delivered. This week, however, one of the more buzzed about electric vehicle startups took a big step towards mass production of their introductory vehicle. That company is Faraday Future, whose FF91 electric SUV boasts a luxurious interior and the promise of traveling over 300 miles on a single charge. As Engadget reported, Faraday Future recently unveiled a production intent model. The event took place in Hanford, California, and suggested that the cars would be in production by the third quarter of this year. The company's vice president of manufacturing, Matt Tall, spoke of this as the latest in a series of steps on the road to full production. The FF91 is expected to be the first ultra-luxury EV to reach the market, with a unique driver and passenger experience, Tall said. Over the next few months, Faraday Future plans to build more production intent models for purposes of testing and validation. Still, the anticipated start of production hovers in the distance later this year. Will this work be enough to catapult Faraday Future into the next echelon of EV manufacturers?